the news track and I'm Maria Shakil. It starts with a phone call from someone claiming to be a cop or a government official. They speak with authority, cite laws and accuse you or your loved ones of a crime. Fear grips you instantly, you stop thinking and within days you are trapped, both mentally and financially. This has happened to a retired banker in Delhi who lost 23 crores in matter of 47 days to a scamster. To an elderly couple in Karnataka, it has happened as well. And it is happening across the country. In fact, Indians have lost over 4,000 crore rupees in 24 lakh digital fraud cases in just these 10 months of 2025. This is India's latest cyber threat, the so-called digital arrest scam. A new age fraud where fear is the weapon and your bank account is the target. Take a look at this report and then I bring in the guests.
आप डिजिटल अरेस्ट में हो, दूसरे कमरे में जाइए, अकेले। आपके पार्सल में ड्रग्स मिले हैं, लंबे जाएंगे। 10 लाख दीजिए, बच जाएंगे।
They won't break into your house. They won't even show up at your door. They'll just call pretending to be cops or central agency officers. Tell you your name is linked to a crime and convince you that you are under house arrest. Welcome to India's newest cyber plague, the digital arrest scam.
19 September तक
A 78-year-old retired banker in South Delhi is the latest to be called. A month-long ordeal that led to a fraud of 23 crore rupees in what could be country's biggest digital arrest scam.
एयरटेल हेडक्वार्टर से फ़ोन आता है मेरी लैंडलाइन पे कि हम एयरटेल से बोल रहे हैं और आपको हम मुंबई हेडक्वार्टर पुलिस के साथ संपर्क करा रहे हैं। घोटाला हुआ है, उसके तहत ये पैसा वहाँ से इस्तेमाल हुआ है टेरर फंडिंग और पुलवामा अटैक में आर्म्स और एमुनेशन खरीदने के लिए।
The woman on the call allegedly said he will be arrested under the NIA Act and his property will be seized. He was asked to provide bank details regarding fixed deposits, lockers and stocks. They even sent this former Delhi banker a fake arrest warrant and asked him to not say anything about this to anyone. Over a period of 1 month, between August 4 and September 4th, the fraudsters carried out 20 transactions and withdrew 23 crore rupees from Naresh Malhotra's multiple bank accounts.
पहले तो इन्होंने मेरे अकाउंट में जो बैलेंस था करीब 14 लाख वो निकाल लिया। फिर मैंने बोला मेरे पास मेरे शेयर्स होते हैं, तो वो बोले आपके हम सारे एसेट वेरीफाई करेंगे, ये रिजर्व बैंक का एक वेरिफिकेशन वहाँ भेजे जाएगी, हम आपको अकाउंट नंबर बताएंगे जहाँ पे पैसा भेजेंगे, आरटीजीएस के जरिए आप पैसा देंगे और हम आपको रोज रिजर्व बैंक का एक सर्टिफिकेट देंगे जितना पैसा हमने आपसे लिया है।
कितने पैसे आपसे ले लिए?
लगभग 22 करोड़ 92 लाख।
The police have registered an FIR and a probe is underway. But for Naresh Malhotra and dozens like him, the damage is already done. The hard-earned money is gone. One call, one moment of fear, and everything is gone. That's the danger of digital arrest scams. So think before you pick up, or you will have to pay up. With Arvind Ojha and Astha Bhardwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.